Agentic AI is the term of the year, I feel. It really means extensibility. So going more end-to-end with processes, which allows us to provide better experiences to our client stakeholders. So it could be customers, it could be partners and suppliers, it could be employees. But it really means that we've just increased our surface size on the value we can provide our clients.
People are holding on to their processes, holding on to their business rules upon which the processes need to execute. They are very strict, very rigid, and yet they automated some of it, right? It's not really lend itself to autonomous execution of processes. I think agentic is going to let us take that step forward, because now they can bunch up specialized tasks to these different bots. Agentic AI is getting us to closer to that autonomous execution that we all dream for.
We had the rise of robotic process automation and process automation as a whole. And then just recently we had the rise of Gen AI. But what was missing a little bit is the guidance in terms of understanding where is the market going to grow? What do I do with these technologies that I have now? I have RPA, I have automation in any kind, and then I have artificial intelligence. And agentic automation is bringing all that together.
With AI and automation brought together, we can truly transform and create autonomous value chains. It feels like we as a company with UiPath, with our clients, you can go after the end game now, where you used to hit a glass ceiling on what you could truly automate, but with agentic AI, automation and AI all coming together, we can truly build whatever we want. Gen AI brought everyone to the table and got them excited, and then agentic AI is going to bring the ROI.
The idea of having an agentic concept of solutions that can truly go end to end to be able to solve complex business problems by bringing together large language models, the generative engines up front for that chat experience, that natural language conversation, having a natural language conversation with your data to really break down the silos of an organization and solve end-to-end problems. That's what gets us excited.
I think there's very exciting spaces across the automation landscape, from our ability to really accelerate the building of automations, being able to empower really citizen developments to truly be able to explode that opportunity, which has had its challenges in the past with, being able to train people effectively, giving the time to be able to really drive value, but to be able to accelerate and make it almost seamless for people to use natural language to really drive automation across the organization is very exciting.
I see it a bit like the new workforce. So you have the humans, you have the automation, but you also have your agent workforce.
I think I'm really expecting it to be more proactive, wherein less human inputs, more decisions being made in the platforms.
I think it's important that you jump into the AI space, that you think about agentic AI, that you think about how to realize value out of it. So there will be trial and error, of course, right. But I think it's super important that you start somehow, right? So if you don't start, then the competition will do it. I think it's a huge game changer, to be honest.